From the point of view of a person on one point on the earth, the sky is up. This frame of reference is relevant. We are the measure of all things, after all. Technically, however, heaven is not above the earth. It is around the earth. On a sphere, no one frame of reference is better than any other. North America is not above South America, nor is China under North America. Also, heaven is depicted as an actual place. We know now that heaven contains an infinite number of places with lots of empty space in between. Now, asking for a clarification on the word up sounds like a minor technicality, but it is significant. Although there was evidence to the spherical nature of the world in ancient times, the belief that the earth was flat persisted for over 1,000 years, and there are even modern flat earthers today. So when ancient writers questioned the nature of the heavens and their direction, the references that they found in biblical passages to heaven being up helped to reinforce a view of the world and the universe which was grossly inaccurate. In the 4th century, Lactantius's ideas of up led him to ridicule the idea of a spherical earth and the idea that there might be people on the opposite side of it. Chrysostom not only took the references to heaven being up literally, he interpreted then the idea of sunlight coming down to earth as a miracle demonstrating the power of God. Augustine took references to heaven being up quite literally and used them to imagine the orientation of God relative to the earth, and stated that the earth was then in the lower part of the universe. Photius imagined that just as stones fall downward, stars rise upward. This author, in the late 1800s, used literal interpretations of biblical references to up to argue that the earth was flat. This flat earther argued that accepting the ideas of Newton and Copernicus, that the earth was a globe revolving around the sun, would then make scriptures false, and that one must choose between a literal interpretation of biblical passages and the sciences of physics and astronomy.